Hello guys, tutorial how to get Delta. First, delete your Roblox. Second, go to Google. Third, search Delta Explorer. And then click Android. Also, you have to wait because there's many ads. Go to files, and then if your files are done downloading, like it says Delta thing, click the file and click install also. And there you go. Bye bye.